Introducing the new Lift Car HD battery-powered stair climbing truck with advanced safety features, available exclusively from Wesco. There are two Lift Car HD models with a 725-pound capacity and a wide variety of options. Standard manual delivery typically requires 2 or 3 people to transport a heavy load upstairs. The result can be damaged products or worker injury. But with the Lift Car HD, loads of up to 725 pounds can be moved by one person, making it possible to move bulky loads with greatly reduced effort. The load is secured with a safety strap that can be attached anywhere along the length of the frame. The effective use of the Lift Car HD will save time and money and reduce the chance of worker injury. Note how the climbing mechanism does the heavy lifting, while the operator guides the truck. This individual is certainly not a professional delivery person, yet she is able to quickly move the cargo up the stairs. The Lift Car HD is powered by a rechargeable battery that quickly and easily snaps into place. Spare battery packs can be purchased to extend the operating time. Each battery pack is equipped with a safety switch. The Lift Car HD is activated by pushing a button, and a green LED indicates that it's ready to use. The speed switch can be set for a higher or lower speed, and this switch controls the direction. An identical switch on the other side performs the same function, thus allowing optimum handling according to the situation or user preference. With the Lift Car Fold model, the optimum gripping position can be set easily just by releasing a lever. The infinitely adjusting handle makes it easy to find the center of gravity of load while the operator remains in the most ergonomic position. The handle also folds down for more compact storage and transport. The Lift Car HD series is the ideal solution for transporting loads up all types of stairs, up to 8.25 inches in height. Notice how the handle on this Fold model is adjusted for the most comfortable operator position. The Fold is ideal for short and heavy loads that require the truck to be tilted to a steep angle to be properly balanced. And notice how easily the load is moved with the optional caster-equipped snap-on nose plate. As soon as the Lift Car HD is switched on, the fully automatic brakes are activated. The brakes sense the edge of the steps and stop the wheels to prevent further rolling. This makes transport safer by minimizing the chance of accidentally rolling off a step or losing control of the load. The optional snap-on nose plate can be attached in seconds. It is equipped with 4 swivel casters, which can allow especially heavy loads to be easily steered and transported in an upright position without having to tip the truck back, thus reducing operator strain and fatigue. This is especially helpful in confined spaces, such as the stairwell. The Lift Car HD has 2 microcellular tires so that you never have to worry about a flat. Both the tires and the stair edge sensors are designed to leave no tracks on the floor or stairs or other sensitive surfaces. No matter which model you choose, the Lift Car HD will save money and time and take the load off your delivery personnel.